Lexus. So we're in the rear boot now. What we have here is very simple setup. Let me show you. Yep, all this item. So we have one subwoofer here, and of course this one inside here using the STEG Dsp Amp, and of course this is the speaker JBL Arena X, and of course this one special one. Let me show you in front the OEM installation of all these things. Here we go. So we are in front now. Yep, the original setup with this car is also JBL, so this owner changed to the latest JBL model. I think Malaysia is not launched yet, so this will be the first car installed and equipped with it. Of course powered with STEG Dsp Amp. So here I show you what they have in front here. OEM installation with a special port tweeter. Okay, here we go. It's a bit dark here. So this is the tweeter. It's a Beryllium, latest product from JBL. It's like an egg. It's a Beryllium thing. Let me see closer look for you. I'm sure you can see the Beryllium word here. Let's see, it's the Beryllium word here. Yeah. So of course the mid-range is installed here. Yep. So you can see the other side. Yeah. And guess what? This thing is movable. You know, but I don't want to move now. So you can just turn around, play around with it. Let me give you a bigger look. Yeah, you can play around with it, shift around, up and down, everything. So this car already tuned. I don't want to touch it so much. And of course we have one. Of course it comes with a STEG Dsp controller. Yeah. So this car uses full DSP with Bluetooth. It's easy. Give you a full wheel. Yep. Full wheel, simple setup. Of course behind we still have some speakers and woofers. Yeah. So this one, let me give you